Welcome back to Deb and James Adventures. Today we're off to the Bird Sanctuary here in Key Largo. Enjoy the video. Hit that like button. Alright, today we're going to go into the Laura Quinn Wild Bird Sanctuary right here in Key Largo. Entirely funded by donations. Take a look around, see what kind of critters we can see. Oh, there's one all the way in the back there. What do we got? A red-shouldered hawk. Right. Stera. Let's see if we can get a look at her. There she is. Yeah, beautiful feathers. She's looking at something. Pretty cool. What else we got? That Mr. Owl's in there. There he is in the barn. Let's see if I can focus in on him. That'd be good. What's up, Mr. Owl? What's up? You're a pretty guy. What's up? Buddy, what's going on? Looks like maybe food's one. Let's see if we can find him. Okay, there's one up there. Let's see if we can get through the cage. Alright, what kind of bird is that? A short-tailed hawk. And there's the other one over here. There he is. What's up, buddy? Is up. Show them wings. Let's see them wings. And you know they had to get the sea chickens involved. White one with the, what's that one called? What's that one called? He's just hanging out right there. Okay, well, we found a couple of them. What's up, buddy? You got something to say? Alright, say it loud and proud. Found him a little shady spot. guessing this is some kind of egret. And you know I love my pelicans. Pelican! Swallowtail kite. Look how pretty he is, or she is. What's up, Bubba? Joe. What's up, Cockeyed Joe? Which one's Cockeyed Joe? What kind of bird is that?
A Mississippi kite.
A Mississippi kite. What's he doing in Florida? What's up, buddy?
South America.
Oh, he does he? All right, buddy. Bird Sanctuary, Deb wanted to go see Betsy the Lobster. These are some photos from our stop there. Had a nice little souvenir shop there. Let's check it out. Betsy is the largest roadside lobster. Words to live by the manatee. Some of the local shops behind Betsy. Thanks again for stopping in at Deb and James Adventures. Hit that like button.